Forbearance and real estate. In today's video, we're talking about forbearance, how it's impacting the real estate transaction, and what real estate professionals need to know. Hey there, I'm Lisa Suazo, your Marketing Technology Director with West, a WFG company, here with today's Nerd Nugget, your bite-sized marketing technology tip that you can implement into your business today. Today, we're talking all about forbearance, specifically how it's impacting the real estate transaction and you as a real estate professional, and really what you need to know. The CARES Act provides a mortgage payment forbearance option for all borrowers who either directly or indirectly suffer a financial hardship due to the coronavirus national emergency. According to a White House briefing from February of 2021, 2.7 million homeowners are currently in COVID forbearance. If you're wondering, what is forbearance again? It is a temporary postponement or reduction in mortgage payments. So what's important to know here is if your client took advantage of any of the forbearance opportunities, when they go to refinance or sell their home, any remaining amount owed comes due. So in today's Nerd Nugget, I want to share some information that my team over at WFG National Title has been experiencing so we can provide that information to you because let's face it, nobody wants surprises during the real estate transaction. The scenario that I want to run through with you today is what WFG has been seeing, particularly with FHA loans. When you open your title commitment, one thing that you're going to want to look for is a requirement called a partial claim deed of trust. This is how WFG labels it, though other title companies may label it as a general deed of trust. The partial claim is an interest-free loan from HUD to get caught up on the overdue payments. So basically, through the forbearance programs, HUD took over the payments to the mortgage servicer, and then when that property is either refinanced or there's a sale or transfer of ownership, HUD has to get repaid. The partial claim creates a deed of trust on the title commitment, which creates a second lien on the property right behind that first mortgage. Now, if there is an upcoming sale or refinance of the property, WFG as a title company is required to order a payoff through Novad Management Consulting, which is the loan servicer for HUD. And here's the rub. It can take up to 10 days to get that payoff information from Novad. Why is this important for you to know? Well, because obviously the last thing anyone wants during a real estate transaction is a surprise. And WFG, of course, does not want your closing to be delayed while they're trying to get these payoffs. So how can you be proactive and be in the know and make sure that nothing gets delayed? Well, the first and the most important thing is to ask great questions. The most important question that you can ask your client is, have you entered into an agreement to skip any mortgage payments during the pandemic? Your client may not realize it, but if they did that, they've applied for mortgage forbearance. WFG is finding that not all borrowers really understand what this means. If your client has entered into an agreement to skip any mortgage payments through COVID, please let your closer know this so that they can get ahead of it. While the title commitment will pull up any partial claim deed of trust of record, WFG has had instances where there is a delay in the recordation of the document. So asking these questions up front can help them be proactive and in turn close for you on time and as scheduled. The last thing to know is that there are different repayment options for your clients based on the different loan type that they have. Everything from FHA to VA to rural housing loans. To find these repayment options, please go to the website listed here. Now, if you need additional resources or you have additional questions, please reach out to your preferred closer at WFG or your preferred sales executive. They can answer these questions for you, or you're also welcome to check out this special video interview I did with Brett Fuqua at WFG National Title, where we go into this information in greater detail, including servicer and contact information. So just check that out. I will link the video below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.